The Snore Symphony.
When nighttime comes and lights go dim, the snore band starts, it's never slim. Dad goes first, oh what a sight, snoring all through the night. Mom joins in with a whistle so high, chirping like birds in the sky. Grandpa rumbles with a loud roar, it shakes the bed and rattles the floor. And Grandma snores like a trumpet's cheer, whole night for all to hear. My dog can't help but thump and thud, like drums drumming in the mud. Even my fish goes glub glub glue, bubbling a solo right on cue. And me, I giggle beneath my sheet, clapping along to the bedtime beat. But soon my eyelids start to drop. I knew this snore parade will just not stop. They snore and rumble all through the night, so I wear my earplugs nice and tight. Good night to my family, loud as boars, and I'm the only legend who never snores.
The end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye kids.